Hello, Cho. Let's read a given question. The question says two body of masses m and 4m are placed at a distance r. The gravitational potential at a point on the line joining them where the gravitational field is 0 is option A 0, option B minus 4 gm by r, option C minus 6 gm by r, option D minus 9 gm by r. So to understand this question, we need to understand about the concept of gravitational potential and field. So, agar let's suppose we have a mass m and at a distance from it, at a distance x, if we wish to find the potential at point p, so हम जानते हैं कि जो result आएगा, that is potential at point p can be given by the expression gm upon x. ठीक है, so this is what the potential will be. Actual में potential define कैसे? Potential difference is defined and we take one reference point where we assume कि potential is to be 0 and we get the absolute value of potential, that is vp equals to gm by r. एंड यहाँ पे r इज द डिस्टेंस, so यहाँ पे x है वो डिस्टेंस, so we have written gm by x. अब हम बात करें ग्रेविटेशनल फील्ड की, so it is given by the expression minus dv upon dr, right? So we can see कि ये जो potential है it is a scalar quantity and जो electric field है sorry जो gravitational field है it is a vector quantity, so we need to be considering the direction. अब यहाँ पे हम just देख सकते हैं if we wish to find the electric gravitational field along the x direction, so we have to partially differentiate the expression of potential with respect to x, and ये result जो हमें आता है that comes out to be minus gm upon x का square. ठीक है, यहाँ पे we can see ये जो negative sign है it indicates, and this will be a gravitational field will be a vector since it is a vector quantity, so we can say negative sign यहाँ पे ये show कर रहा है कि if we wish to find at a distance x के point p पे हमें अगर electric gravitational field चाहिए, so gravitational field जो है it will be acting towards the mass. ठीक है, so that is what the significance or we can say the meaning of negative sign over here is. So using this results we will try to analyze the given situation. So हमें given है दो masses, एक है 4m का और एक है m mass का. तो ये 4m है, let's say ये m है, and the line joining the two masses it is at a separation r from it. So हमें एक point consider करना है यहाँ पे, let's say ये point A है, ये point B है, and this is our point C. So अगर हम मान लें कि C point पे जो potential है due to this 4m we can see कि electric field will be ये r डिस्टेंस है, तो हम मान लेते हैं लेट्स से x डिस्टेंस ये है, तो स्मॉल इससे r माइनस x डिस्टेंस पे आ जाएगा, ठीक है, क्योंकि टोटल डिस्टेंस हमें बिटवीन a एंड b इज गिवन एज r. सो यहाँ पे अगर हम देखें ध्यान से, सो c पे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड सॉरी ग्रेविटेशनल फील्ड हमें 0 बोली गई है, सो E एट c इज गिवन एज 0, ठीक है ना. सो फ्रॉम हियर वी कैन से कि जो ग्रेविटेशनल फील्ड का डायरेक्शन होगा due to mass 4m it will be towards right and due to mass m it will be towards left. ठीक, क्योंकि हमने let's consider के this is the distance r minus x from point small point mass m and it will be at a distance of x from the 4m mass. So this is how we can say कि जो direction है gravitational field का वो opposite होगा and it will be 0. So यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं कि gravitational field की values we can substitute. This can be written as minus of, therefore minus of g into 4m divided by x square, and that will be equals to minus of g, minus minus तो cancel ही हो जाएगा basically. So यहाँ पे आएगा g into small m upon r minus x का square. So this will be the situation, and from here we can see कि g तो cancel हो जाएगा and m will also get cancelled out. So taking root on both sides, so ये हो जाएगा 2 by x will be equals to 1 upon r minus x. ठीक है, so on simplification we can say 2r minus 2x will be equals to x. Therefore we can say जो value of x आ रही है it is coming out to be r by 2r by 3 basically. ठीक है, so this is the value we are getting for x. So हमें ये distance मिल गया from 4m mass. So finally we can say from 2m mass the distance will corresponds to r minus of 2r by 3 यानी कि r by 3. तो ये हो गया डिस्टेंसेस हमें मिल गए दोनों के. सो एट पॉइंट सी वी कैन कैलकुलेट द पोटेंशियल नाउ. We can say therefore potential at point C will be due to 4m mass plus due to m mass. Since it is a scalar quantity, just we need to add it up. So 4m mass के लिए अगर हम देखें so it will be minus g into 4m divided by distance कितना आया था इसका 2r/3 plus small m mass के लिए अगर हम देखें तो it will be minus of gm upon r/3. So finally जो result हमारे पास आ रहा है vc का that is coming out to be minus of 9 gm upon r. So this is the answer to the question जो कि मैच हो रहा है ऑप्शन डी के साथ. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड द सॉल्यूशन. ऑल द बेस्ट.